Okay, good afternoon, friends. This is Shilpa here once again for you, for your benefit. I'm going to help you today for the video. In this, we are going to cover first how to apply for MBA. Everybody knows what is the eligibility criteria, that I am a graduate. Okay, and if you have experience of 2 years plus, so whether can I go for executive MBA, or can I go for distance MBA, or can I go for normal MBA, or can I go for regular MBA? These points we are going to cover. Important point: if I want to go for distance MBA, which university is best? And if I'm looking for a regular MBA, is a campus is there in UAE for helping me in the regular mode? And now, as you know, everybody normally, we are Indians, so we have already flight from India to Dubai. For more better progress, we would like to shift to Canada in immigration purpose. In immigration purpose, we definitely looking forward to university which is going to help me in my what you can say, in my progression. Okay, so which university also help in immigrations, or which university will help me for Canada immigration through WS? This point we are going to cover right now here, so don't leave anywhere, I'm with you. Okay, so start with the first point. The first point is that where I should go, or which university should I go for MBA. I am a graduate for an engineer, or I'm a bachelor's. First, you should be a graduate for applying an MBA. No one with diploma can apply for MBA or executive MBA. Point second, if you have experience in 2 years, you can definitely apply for 1 year executive MBA. Okay. Point number third, the person who is applying for, or there are some people they wants to go for regular MBA, because you know regular MBA is having more weightage. Then how is it possible to do regular MBA while sitting in UAE in the less cost? And this university also should approved with the everywhere in UAE embassy also everywhere. Yes, so I have come with the university called as ISBM University, which is approved by UGC, AIU, NAC, Bar Council of India, and India of Association with America, Bar Chambers with America. So basically, this university is having accreditation with, you must be knowing, IACCB, okay, which is the highest approval for US and UK for applying. Then they also have approval for international collaborations. This university will also help you if you complete a degree from ISBM University. The 2 points, very important point. First point, you are going to get a regular degree, which is nobody is giving. Okay, and second point, this university will help you to attest your degree anywhere in all over world. Yes, this university promises. And third point, this university also promises to give the placements. Okay, now first point where we have not spoken, you are going to get regular degree. How is it possible to get regular degree? I'll tell you. This degree university is, we have campus in Kuwait, we also have campus in Ras Al Khaimah. Okay, so what you can do, you can take admission through ISBM University, and you also help you with the online lectures, so LMS platforms also, and then we also help you with the books and everything. And your assessments will be conducted other than exams. No exams will be conducted, only assessment will be conducted. On basis of assessment, the marks will be given. Simple. Okay, assessment will be of 100 marks. Okay, assessment will be for every subject. Will be giving you questions, and according to that will be judging you and will be giving you the marks. Third point, I have cleared, it's a regular university. Second, I have cleared the eligibility is the students who have completed the graduation with or without experience, but if it is with experience, that is more weightage. Okay. Third point, I have cleared you. This university is going to help you with this university also going to help you for UAE attestation, or if you are going out of India or out of UAE, suppose you are looking for UK, then this university helps you for every attestation in that country with their embassy. It's a free of cost, there is no charge. So it's not only admission, only process is admission, your examination, after your exam your assessment, after assessment, point is after assessment, the point is we are going to help you for placements as well, and also any country attestation, and plus is a regular degree. Okay, so why you should go with ISBM? Because ISBM University is calculated, is awardable university, ISBM's university has actually basically started with ISBM Business School. ISBM Business School has started in 1982, more than 35 36 years, and with the ISBM University have campus across all over world. Okay, so anything you can go. This first point, you suppose you apply for any Indian university, but you have to depend on the person from where you take an admission. But in ISBM case, no, you can directly visit the center, take the admission if you want, or you can, if you can, or if you want, you can directly call me, or you can take the admission anyways. And basically after admission also they help you. Okay, this is the one thing. Second thing, ISBM, now talking about right now situation, as you know, as of the COVID is going on, and we are sitting in 2020. From March, April, May, June, July, August, literally we have spent our 6 months just sitting at home. Now ideally we thinking, there's some people have already lose the job, some people are on the or some people have also got the good package, or some people are looking for a good job in the case, or some people looking for a progression in life in the current situation, how to face. And as you know, this COVID is, we have actually wasted a 1 year, but not to worry, your admission is secured with IIMS Distance Learning Institute Dubai. Okay, how, as an Indian we can help you. This is only the video is only for Indians, please, because ISBM University gives admission to only Indian universities and university. If in a business school, you can, any NRI, NRI, NRE from India can take the admission, but not a non-resident of India. Okay, or foreign resident cannot take admission in ISBM University. So where I was saying you something. Okay, yes. So how to complete this year? So students who really wants to cope yourself with this year, so we can take the admission this year. Annual exam is there in December. So hope, yeah, our year is not wasted. So still the time we can get admission. You can complete your first year. Talking about the syllabus and everything, as you know, some syllabus has been remitted with the half syllabus only kept for this university, and we'll give you all proper platform for learning, so it will be not easy difficult for you to clear also in December. So first year is in this December 2020, and second year of MBA is 2021. So here, thumbs up for me. Please subscribe the channel. Also please like the button if you like, because I am giving you a very good news. You are going to complete your MBA in 1 year and nearly 4 months, proper 2 years MBA. Okay, this is a plus point which are you going to get. Okay, next point, okay, I think I'm making a too long video, but still actually I'm putting you points. Okay, normally people ask me what is the dip, madam, as we have so much experience, so should I go for executive MBA or should I go for normal MBA? I'll always say it depends on you. If you have experience, like you have experience of 15 years plus experience, definitely we now know this, we have been settled here. We are not going to change our field. We are not going to change our profile, or profile can be changed, but field and the position definitely want to hike. I need to say you are not planning. You will not change your field at all. Okay, in the same field, only you want to move step 1 onwards. In the situation, you go for executive MBA. Okay, 50 years experience plus, definitely go for. You have to go. See, normally with 2 years experience also you can go for executive MBA, but I'll suggest you go with 15 years experience plus. And those who are just completed 8 years, 9 years in their education, definitely go for 2 years MBA, because 2 years MBA is having weightage across all over world. On basis of 2 years MBA, your MBA considered as a master's degree. Second, having masters and getting marks more than 70% is very good. Yes, I'm going to help you for 70% as well, but only you committed that you will also learn with me the studies, and I'm going to help you. I'll tell you what are the ways to get 70% in MBA. And third thing, you can directly call me. I'm giving my number in the down. Even I'm giving you link of my website. You can go on the website, click one application, one small form will open, where you just fill your details, and I'll get back to you directly once your details come back to me. Why I thought to make this video, because there are number of people who are thinking, ma'am, I'm already lose my time. But this is not like that. You have not lose your time. Still time is there with the ISBM University, approved with UGC, all other credentials of the university, approved with international level standards. This university apply everywhere in UK, US, everywhere you go. The university is committing you for also embassy attestation for every country. They are also helping for placement in every country, and also they are going to help you for your regular degree with your job. This is the best way, where I don't think so you should miss this. Okay, so this is the way. Okay, finally the question comes, ma'am, what is the fees, right? You may be thinking, if you have still this time, if you made watch the video, and I don't want to go in very deep, because if you have personal question you can directly ask me. Okay, so simple. The fees for the course MBA is 10,500 plus VAT. AAD 10,500 plus VAT. This video is only for people who are in UAE, okay, because we have office in Kuwait. Even poor people can apply, or UAE people can apply. So you can directly come to our link, or you can directly call us and we will guide you. As you know, as of COVID, we are closed. Everyone is closed, but we are helping students with the online mode. Okay, even what else? What I need to share? Nothing. Everything I told you in the 5 minutes. Okay, talking about the specialization past the part. You personally discuss with me. There are more than 15 specialization to apply. We can cover that. Exam is in every December, June and June in annual pattern. So we already missed the June exam. December is still there. Okay, so give me thumbs up. Please do subscribe to my channel, because actually I have taken a time to make a video, and it's not because of me, because I will get an idea that how you have liked the video. Okay, bye, good day. So we'll meet in next video with the different aspect of management. Till then, good day, bye.